Upalana, I always wondered being a B-Town celeb is tough enough. But imagine being married to one. It's like you're inviting crazy in your life.
Honestly, I think dealing with all the paparazzi must be the worst. I mean, I don't mind being married to one. And you know who I'm talking about, Ranbir Kapoor. Oi.
But still, it's really tough here. You're always being judged for how you look or what you're wearing in public.
Roshni, don't we do that?
You do we? We are looking at some of the celebrity wives in this episode of Crush or Crash. So, Gauri Khan, the first lady of Bollywood, the Bollywood Begum. I've always had issues with her sense of style, Upalana. I mean, I almost never like everything that she wears. I know I'm being very harsh. It's almost like she doesn't know what she wants, but she's wearing something just to look sexy. Her personality is very coy, because she always comes across as someone who doesn't talk much. She's very elegant, but what she wears is very contrary to that, you know.
She's a very ladylike personality.
Exactly.
From whatever interviews we've seen or whenever we've seen her on television.
Yeah, I mean, for once, I've never seen her smile.
Really?
Exactly. And I remember reading in some newspaper when Shah Rukh Khan, when the team KKR had won the IPL, and it was such an exciting moment. And there was a headline that said, so the award for saying I'm really excited in the most non-excited way goes to Gauri Khan. So coming back to the outfit, I know that she's wearing a Tarun Talani gown and she's attending one of Sonam's wedding functions. But again, I'm not very flattered. I know the gown is nice, the color is that's the kind of color that she usually wears. But I'm not the biggest fan of this look on her. I mean, she could do so much more. Of course, the hair and makeup is the same since 1999, hasn't changed for her. Even the clutch is boring. I mean, I don't see any fun, not that she is fun ever.
Oh, I'm completely going to agree on this. I'm not a big fan of the gown. I like the layering effect.
Yeah.
I like how the color,
Yeah.
the beige and the blacks working together. The gown is nice on its own.
Yeah,
but
but
for some reason, it's not flattering. Like,
exactly.
I don't know if it's probably the color is not for her or the hair and the makeup is not appropriate to the gown. The only thing that she's done right in this outfit is probably
that she's standing right next to Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah, that kind of is a crush. But apart from that, Gauri.
It's a crash.
Crashing it. Okay, Meera Rajput. मतलब floral background के against आप भी गुलदस्ता ही लग रहे हो.
Exactly.
She's actually wearing an SVA couture outfit and it's by Sonam and Paras Modi.
Yeah.
I am not liking it at all. That anarkali, I don't know if it's a lehenga, it's an anarkali. Why is it so white? And then when it's not even heavily printed, the dupatta is the same color, too much volume in the lehenga, then the ponytail makes it look even more casual. I don't know, nothing is working. It's in fact
too much.
It's cutting on her height.
Yeah.
The empire line is really high. I feel it could have been slightly lower so that her waist could have been defined a little more. The print's not that great, the color's not, and I'm a big fan of white or black, which I think people know clearly. But this, Meera,
I agree with you, Palna, but I'd have to say that like she's someone who usually keeps her fashion and style game on point. Like she knows what works for her. I mean, I've hardly seen her in blunders, maybe one or two exceptions.
Very rarely.
And also like she's one Delhi girl that makes me really proud. I mean, she became this hotshot wife out of nowhere and you know, coming on Coffee with Karan. I mean, who knew her a couple of years back?
honestly, for her, it was more difficult because she entered the era where we had airport look.
Yeah.
You were judged for everything, even if you're going to buy vegetables. People want to know what you're
Exactly.
wearing, why you're wearing, and how
Exactly.
you're wearing it.
And I think she's someone whose style I feel is comparable to Kate Middleton's because she likes to keep things simple and elegant but yet very effective. But this one, like you said, it's just overflowing fabric, you know.
I've lost Meera
in this, and
I don't see Meera. It's just a head.
It's just print and fabric. I don't know what this outfit is. I can't even tell what is the silhouette, but for sure I know it's an anarkali. But seriously, you could do so much better. You have it in you. You have that poise and elegance and that nonchalance that she always has on her face that, you know I'm stylish and I don't have to prove it. But this time, I think she was trying to prove it. Or maybe, I don't know what happened.
I think it was just a bad day.
It was a bad day.
And a bad outfit and a bad headache.
So it's a crash.
It's a crash. Complete bummer.
So, Mrs. Funny Bones, can I just say that she's my favorite celebrity wife of all time? I mean, she was my favorite even though when she was not a celebrity wife, because this woman is just, she's everything.
I love her
Swear.
since Tina of Barsat. Like, I looked at her, I was like, wow.
Wow.
Like, she is
Gorgeous.
adorable. I look at her, she's beauty with brains.
I mean, she's just not beauty with brains, she's beauty with humor, she's beauty with a great sense of style, she's
Now.
beauty with, so much character. And look at her right now also, she's so on point with what she's wearing. I'm sure you can hardly go wrong when you're wearing Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla, but look at the way she's carrying that pop of color with a beautiful clutch. And she's elegance personified. She's probably only one of the people who can stand right next to Akshay Kumar and not have us look at Akshay Kumar, but her, because she's just oozing that charisma.
I'll correct it. She was the only one who could actually stop Akshay Kumar. If you know what I mean.
If you know what she means.
You know that she was the only woman who could tie him down.
Back in the day, I know.
Correctly put. He was
I know. He was unstoppable.
He was very much in demand, apparently.
Exactly.
I completely agree with Roshni. It's a stunning look. You know, sometimes you can easily go wrong with something so white.
Yeah.
And it is all embroidery. It's heavy chicken curry.
Yeah.
It's white on white. But she's done it just right with her hair tied up so you can see a lot of neck. Her face is not busy because she's wearing a very busy outfit. And I think it's a classic combination. Whenever you wear a white, a green emerald just makes it's just a pop of color that you need, and it's perfect. It's like cherry on cake, and it's done.
It's done.
And she's like yummy. She's ready to eat. I love you and I love what you're wearing.
It's a
Kudos.
big crush.
It's a big crush. रश्मि मुझे लगता है कि उसने रोमैंग पहना है. मुझे लगता है कि ये ब्रोकेट का रोमैंग है. आपको क्या लगता है? It's perfect. I think ये आमिर खान और किरण ने सेम बाल क्यों रखे? मतलब मैं समझ नहीं कुछ कर
और तुम आमिर खान और शाहरुख खान दोनों की कॉपी कर रही हो.
अभी यही बोल रही हूँ, मुझे आमिर खान मार देगा कि कॉपी तो ठीक है बट अच्छे से तो करो.
I have never seen her in an outfit without her own spin on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I
like
know,
she
I know.
always wears things which have a lot of character, and it's about Kiran Rao and not about the outfit even now.
That's actually
Right?
a very rare thing about her.
Exactly.
Because if you see celebrity wives or even celebrities for that matter, nobody has a character. Very few people, I wouldn't say nobody,
Has a
very
defined
few,
way of-
Exactly. When you see her, you know why she's dressed a certain way. I'm not going to pinpoint on the fact that, oh, this is not right,
Yeah.
or the earrings are not the perfect
all her.
emeralds. It's just because she has to add that quirk to it.
Yeah.
She's a very artsy person. Whenever
Yeah.
I see her, I want to see her in more Amrapali jewelry and more raw mango stuff. That suits her and she carries it. With
Carries
that,
it so well.
she has that swag.
That's what happens when you
That
know your
elegance.
style.
She's a best
you know.
combination of elegance and swag. I
Yeah.
feel like that.
I think she's one of the coolest celebrity wives ever. Right now also she's wearing a simple sari, but look at the way she's
Pink. Love it.
carrying it. Like the color, the jewelry, like the cool shades that she's wearing. I know for sure she's at a wedding and she's at Sonam Kapoor's wedding, but she doesn't look like she cares. She could be anywhere right now and look that cool, right?
I think the choice of color is brilliant, and especially it's actually a brocade sari, but I don't feel heavy. I don't
all.
see heavy. The color's appropriate. It's a day wedding. It looks beautiful on her. Such a nice summer color. I love her hair. How she keeps her hair all cool, and she's wearing like she's literally acing that sari with that blouse and the long sleeves. The interesting pallu detail. So yeah, I mean Kiran Rao.
Big
Amazing.
crush. Big crush.
Okay, Roshni, what would you do if you were a celebrity wife?
Oh, I know. I would buy all the designer bags, shoes, clothes.
Okay, we get the point, clearly. So guys, please let us know in the comment section below what you thought about this episode.
For more styling tips and fashion news, tune into Pop Extra Fashion. Bye.